Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the picture of Samsung TV upside down. If your picture is rotated or it is inverted, I will show you how to fix this. On the screen you are watching that this Samsung TV has inverted picture or it is downside. So viewers, before I will show you how to fix this, I will tell you that why this happens. It is due to two reasons. One is when you change the panel screen of your Samsung TV, and the other is if anyone accidentally goes into the service menu and change its settings. So don't worry for this. I will show you the guide how to fix this. Subscribe our channel, like the video and comment in case of any question. I will be happy to reply them. So viewers, if you've gone through this problem, then the method to fix this is to power off your TV from the remote. Remember, from the remote, and then press a secret code to access its service menu. Press info, menu, mute and power key. If this code doesn't work, ask in comment section. I will give you the other codes. Now I am pressing the codes. TV will power on in service menu. The TV is on now and its service menu is displayed. We have to select the first option, that is option. Now we have to go into MRT option. Scroll down to MRT option using up and down arrow keys. Press OK here. Now we have to go into the HV flip option. Scroll down and now press right or left arrow to toggle it on or off. I am pressing the right arrow. You can use both to check which one works. Now it is off and you are watching that our TV screen is rotated. Now I will power off and power it again to exit the service menu. Great guys, our TV screen rotation problem have been fixed. In case of any query, ask in comment section. And if you like these types of videos, kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell so you can get our new videos notification. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.